Oh Lord, can you believe this? I just washed it 3 days ago and it's already dirty. As you can see, I'm kind of sunburned. I was on the boat all day yesterday in the 90-degree Florida heat for like 12 hours straight, so I got a little bit of red going on my nose and my forehead. So today we're gonna go to the car wash, get this thing cleaned up, and you know what I really need? I need a little head cam so I can talk to you guys while driving, because it's kind of hard to hold the phone like this, so you guys can get a point of view as I'm driving, so I can talk to you about different things going on with the channel and life in general. So yeah, as I'm looking like a lobster right now, we're gonna head to the car wash, get this thing cleaned up, and then start the video. All right, there she goes. Now she's all cleaned up. Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a video on how to do mods to your vehicle, truck, cars, anything like that without voiding the warranty. So there's a lot of speculation that you can do mods to your truck or car and it's gonna void the warranty. And basically what the warranty is, warranty comes from your factory, that if anything were to go wrong with your vehicle, that they will replace it free of charge, depending if you have a full warranty or bumper to bumper, anything like that. So there's different ways to get around doing mods to your vehicle without actually voiding that warranty. When you void a warranty, that means the warranty is no longer eligible to be used. So, for example, if you have a bumper to bumper warranty, your warranty is covering you from each end of anything in the truck, the car. From your bumper all the way to the other bumper. Anything goes wrong, they will take care of it. Then there's something called maybe a powertrain warranty, where it has anything to do with your powertrain. So for example, your engine, transmission, gears, differential, things like that. So depending on what your warranty is, can depend on which mods you can do. So let's go into like a quick mod. For example, one of my first mods that I did was the side mirrors, okay? Now, with the bumper to bumper warranty, if I did and went over here and said, I'm gonna put this mod on and put side mirrors on my car, you have to figure out if something goes wrong with the side mirror and I did something to it, then it would be my fault. So if I was putting on the side mirrors and I accidentally cracked the lens or I cracked the mirror here, then maybe the warranty would be voided because it was my fault and I'm the one that messed with the vehicle and I'm the one that caused it to break. But if I put side mirrors on and then my engine blows up, that's not voiding the warranty, because that had nothing to do with the engine. You know what I'm saying? So when you do things to vehicles, and you do things to your truck and your car, you have to take into account that, is this going to void my factory warranty? So for example, I still have a 60,000 mile powertrain warranty on my truck. My truck's only at 45,000 miles, so I still have 15,000 miles. So if anything were to go wrong with the engine, the transmission, like I said, differential, anything like that, anything in the powertrain, they would cover it. So I'm not going to go ahead and throw a supercharger on it and start forging the internals and changing out the differential and adding different gear ratios to it or anything like that, because that is messing with the powertrain. So if something were to go wrong, it'd be my fault for messing with it. So when you do things to your vehicle, you want to make sure that whatever it is, it's not going to avoid the factory warranty, okay? So everything I've done to the truck so far is not voiding my warranty. My warranty only is a powertrain warranty. So obviously I'm not going to touch anything with the powertrain, anything like that. If my tail light or my headlights, side mirrors, door covers, floor mats, tail lights, window tint, anything that goes wrong, it's not voiding the warranty, because the engine, the powertrain, had nothing to do with the mods that I did. They can't come to you and say, oh, just because you plasti dipped the badge here, the warranty is voided. No, it doesn't work like that. Now, one thing you do have to take into consideration is tunes. So tuning your vehicle is a whole nother topic, because you can take the tune off, but then they can check the ECU and they can see that it was tuned at a certain point and then maybe mess up the timing of the engine. So tunes can get kind of iffy depending on the warranty. that you have, and if they don't care, or it depends on what happened to the vehicle. But I'm still on a stock tune, so I don't have to worry about that. But like, let's say like you tune your vehicle, then something happens to the engine, or it overheats because you didn't put a rev limiter on it, or see, like that's when things can get kind of hairy. But we're gonna stick to simple mods right now. I'll do another video on just tuning your vehicle, on warranties like that, because that's a whole nother topic to talk about. But doing the antenna, doing window tint, running boards, that's not going to affect the warranty or anything like that. So you can do things to your vehicle. Just make sure you know which warranties you have and what you're allowed to do. Like I said, bumper to bumper warranty is anything goes wrong with your vehicle at all, you can then take it in and they will change it free of cost. Now, to be honest, I wouldn't do anything to your vehicle until your warranty is up, just in general. Now, if you can afford things like that and you can afford to just take risks like that, go ahead, it's your vehicle. But for example, your car is designed for it to work the way it was manufactured. Once you start taking things off it and then putting it and changing it a different way to your liking, you then run the risk of things breaking, because the car was designed for it to run the way that it was manufactured. So there's nothing better than a stock vehicle, right? But stock vehicles are boring, and you want your truck and your car to look different and to stand out and be unique. So you have to weigh in the costs here. Are you willing to take a risk that if something goes wrong, you're voiding your warranty? Or are you willing to just say, you know what? This right here is not going to void the warranty. These are just mirror caps. These are just door handles. These are just interior lighting. These are just an antenna, window tint, anything like that, bed liner. Those things right there, not going to void the warranty. So you really have to think about what you're getting and know which warranty you have. And if I install this and this goes wrong, could it mess up my engine? Could it mess up my bumper? Could it mess up my interior? Could it mess up the seating, the cloth, anything like that? The electronic system, the fuse. So it's a lot of things to take in consideration, but those are just some key examples to think about. So when you're wondering, do mods void the warranty? It really depends. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a like and a comment so that YouTube will share this with other people. If you're wondering what I've done to the truck, I have a whole list of mods in the description, all Amazon links that you can just click on to take you right to the mods. And if you're wondering on how to make a little bit of extra money and start investing, I do have links in the description all the way at the bottom that you can start investing with Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Coinbase. Other than that, we'll catch y'all later. Peace.